Okay, so you're thinking the Caroni Swamp is an obvious choice for bush diary. Well, actually, it isn't. For anyone who has ever been to this expanse of wetland, you could spend hours in here and not see 80% of the creatures that populate this unique habitat. So from the standpoint of a nature television program with a restrictive budget, it's actually not the ideal choice. Today, the Bush Diary crew is joined by a team of game wardens from the Forestry Division. Now, we've been here a couple times in the past, but did not see the kind of wildlife we anticipated. This time around, though, we are keeping our fingers crossed for a better turnout of swamp residents. The Caroni Swamp is easily overlooked by most of us, but it is a highly productive ecosystem, supporting several unique life forms. One of its critical functions is it serves as a nursery for ocean-going fish. You don't have to go very far to see the large numbers of fry or immature fish. They use the tangled network of mangrove prop roots to avoid larger predators. As most of us know, the Caroni Swamp is home to the scarlet ibis. Also found here are the crab-eating raccoon, the tyra, which is a weasel-like creature, and countless crustaceans and reptiles. This, of course, is a constrictor, the Cook's tree boa or cascabel, and he doesn't have any venom, but he is known to be a very aggressive snake. And if you give him a little shake there, you can see him beginning to sense us. And he will strike. If I was able to get a little closer there, he would not hesitate at all to attempt to put a bite on me. Obviously not liking very much being provoked in this manner, but we just wanted to give you a good look at his head when he comes out and starts to flick his tongue. You can actually see him coming out there. Yeah, very annoyed. If I was to stay here long enough, I would undoubtedly get a good bite from this fella. I have to say I am surprised to encounter so many species in what is really a vast swamp with numerous places for wildlife to remain out of sight.